Hello, we are going to create a design there. I have taken that shapes. So here we will have to take another custom shape, make an attraction there. Still I will use the different one. Here is the shape I have taken. It's a stitched patchwork. We will apply there, change the pattern around it. Let's make the further designs. Keep on changing the shapes here. We will take that structure. We can apply the pattern stamp on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe.